Hello and welcome back to the channel. I know we haven't been making videos lately, but we're back, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a beautiful, super simple reverse sear tri-tip. Okay, you can get a tri-tip at any of your local grocery stores like we did, especially if you're on the West Coast, super easy to find. This tri-tip that we had, we cut off that hard fat cap on it. It's not going to render down during the cooking process, so we got to get that off. We got to trim it a little bit. Okay. We did that. We're using our favorite barbecue rub. Today we're gonna be using Jabin Postal's Mad Cow rub. Very, very good barbecue rub, especially on beef. Okay, we're doing that, seasoned it up, great. Now we're going outside on our pellet grill. A lot of you guys have Traegers, Pit Boss, Louisiana grills, all that. We're gonna be setting our pellet grill at 250 degrees today. We're going to put it on the grill. We're going to reverse sear it. We're gonna be monitoring internal temperatures. Of course, an instant read thermometer or a Thermoworks, the Smoke X4 is what we use. Links below for everything. We're going to be monitoring the internal temperatures until they reach about 115, 120 degrees. We're gonna open that sear plate technology that we have on our Pit Boss Austin XL 1000. We're gonna put those grill marks on there. We're gonna bring the internal temperature up to about 130. We're gonna let it rest. We're gonna slice against the grain. It's gonna be a delicious tri-tip. This is a super simple recipe. You guys, if you're having people over your house or if you're cooking for your family, this is what you need to do to make like an absolutely amazing restaurant quality cut of beef. Tri-tip is obviously amazing, and I think that it's going to impress everybody. So come along with us. I'll show you a kind of the tips and tricks as we do it along the way, and I think you guys are going to be happy. Maybe I'll wake babe up from her nap, and there we go. And here we go. I was a little bit disappointed in this tri-tip. For $22, there was a massive fat cap, but we used an amazing rub, Postal Barbecue, Jabin Postal. We'll put his link below, Mad Cow rub. We got it seasoned up, we got it trimmed up. I know, on a paper plate. I don't know what to say about that, but this little baby tri-tip is gonna be very, very good just because of this rub. This rub is very good. Let's let it sweat in. We'll bring you right back. For today's cook, we're gonna be using the Pit Boss Austin XL 1000. Of course, we're gonna be using the best, if this thing would lift up, Jealous Devil pellets. It's gonna be great because not only are we gonna do like a reverse sear technology, we're gonna have that here. We're gonna open up the sear plate and we're gonna sear it off at the very end, which this is why I love this pellet grill. Our plants down there, it's been super hot out here. It's kind of dying, but we do have a couple tomatoes coming in, which is fantastic. The rooster is still over there, but I mean, gorgeous view, like absolutely amazing. I gotta use the Oklahoma again. I gotta use the griddle again. The S&S kettles, obviously, the children and us have been sitting out here just enjoying the stars at night. We got the dog. What are you doing with your life, dog? It's set at 250 degrees, and let's just start reverse searing it. It's gonna be amazing. I know, haters are gonna hate, but rice-a-roni, that's one of our like biggest YouTube videos is how to make rice-a-roni. If you Google that on YouTube, our video is gonna come up. Obviously, I don't need to show you guys the recipe. We got the pan, that. We'll make rice-a-roni. I will tell you what, rice-a-roni is so good. Honestly, please. Let me just take a quick minute to say thank you to our top tier channel members. All of our channel members that have hit the join button, which is right next to the subscribe button. Cheers to you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Even though we've been kind of lacking on videos, you guys have been an awesome support to us. So I just wanted to take a pause out of the video to say thank you to all of you guys. Really, really appreciate you. Cheers. I do feel like once it reaches 90 degrees, you need to give it a flip to promote some even cooking. 125. Oh, this is way done. Absolutely. And this is the reason why the Pit Boss is superior to everybody else. I will tell you what, boys and girls, that rice-a-roni, that tri-tip, that crust, holy moly. Jabin Postal, I love you. That is really, really fantastic. No, not the rice-a-roni. It's just really rocking. You guys should do this. Reverse sear method. It's so good. Try this. You'll like it. Oh, you want to get maximum juice? Oh yeah. So good, huh? Oh yeah, that's right.